let us do our second example. Saka example yedu iri kuti chii? Iri kuti simplify the following. Sangatange na a. A yakanzi chii? A yakanzi the square root of 18 over the square root of 2. So we do our observation sezvatamboita paya kuti we have to simplify, or rather we have to see to it kuti our denominator is having what? Our denominator is expressed in its simplest surd form. But yes, the square root of 2, we cannot further simplify it. That is true. But if we look at the numerator, the square root of 18, we have to simplify that one first. And kuti tingotanga on a clean slate. Saka panapa we are going to have many methods. Let me call this method number 1. For method number 1, that is also okay. Pamsoro panapa, it's the square root of 9 times 2 and it over the square root of 2. Then I simplify pamsoro, pachaita chi, pachaita 3, the square root of 2 over the square root of 2. And it padaro manje, zvinenge zvangoreva kuti tikatarisa tichaona kuti there's no need yekurationalize since tichigona ngoti square root of 2 into square root of 2 nde1 and square root of 2 into square root of 2 nde1. Kurota our final answer is 3. Tatopedza. You see? Tenge tatopedza. So this is the method number 1. Method number 2. Let us say you are a traditionalist. You want to go the traditional route. Saka panapa tenge takutishi the square root of 18 over the square root of 2. You did not quickly notice it. Over let me rationalize. Wakuti times the square root of 2 over g, the square root of 2. So this is equal to the square root of 18 times 2 panapa over 2, like this. You see? Saka panapa teta kutichi. What is 18 times 2? It's 18 times 2, right? So 2 times 8 is 16, 31. Then 2 times 1 is 2 plus 1 is 3. Okay, now makes sense. So panapa we have the square root of 36 over 2. Right at the square root of 36 over 2, this is equal to, what is the square root of 36? This 6, so it's 6 over 2, of which 2 into 2 is 1, into 6 is 3. Saka we have 3 as our final answer. And as you can see, kuti ma steps epanapa pa teta method 2 kawandisa kudarika epa A. So again, you pick your poison, you choose which method works for you, but I opt for the simplest method which takes us cleanly to the answer without putting ourselves at the risk of making errors. So that is how we do A. Let us do B. Looking at B now, we have the square root of 5 over the square root of 2. If we do macheksa taita pamsoro, we look at the denominator. We cannot further simplify it to a simpler surd form. We look at the numerator. We also cannot simplify it to a simpler surd form. So that gives us this as the only solution. We rationalize. Remember, it's the square root in the denominator. That is what we use. Sakana tada iso panapa. This is equal to the square root of 5 times 2, right? Over here it's equal to 2. So this is then the square root of 10 over 2. And that becomes our final answer. The square root of that, which we can write as half of the square root of 10, but it's unnecessary. Kutongonyora kadai, so it's better. Panoti tizvi confuse nekunyora in this way. Saka kana tadai so tinenge tatoita metsi dzacho hama dzangu. Okay, C ngatiitire pamusoro panapa. C yakanzi the square root of 16 over 7. We should remember patikamboita hint upon this law inotaura ichiti the square root of a over b is equal to the square root of a over the square root of b. Saka tikaiaplya panapa, this will be equal to the square root of 16 over the square root of 7, of which the square root of 16 then is 4. So it's 4 over the square root of 7. If we rationalize panapa manje, it becomes times the square root of 7 over the square root of 7, of which this is equal to 4 the square root of 7 over 7. That is our final answer. As easy as that. End it.